Conrad Rillo. I'm the primary host for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, Baguio City 2020.
Yan, Abangan, Baguio. Yes, sir. Ay, may mga scooters din na guys. Hindi lang puro mga plastic bikes. Yan. Woo! Enjoy, enjoy. Daming bangat. Daming bangat, grabe.
The Distinguished Gentleman's Ride is a global charity event that was founded in 2012, and it raises money and awareness for prostate cancer research and men's mental health for Movember. Movember is a primary charity partner of the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. For us in Sons of Pines, it's been a long dream for us to host an event like this. I remember that we were dressing up dapper, just trying to ride on the Gentleman's Ride Day. However, this would be the first time that we are registered. You know, we wanted to bring this event to the community of bike lovers like us. Yeah, we were joined by those from the Vespa Club, the Bangads, Philippines in Baguio. Also from Sons of Pines, and also from all other clubs in Baguio City. So I just wish to thank all of those who supported us during the preparation and organization of this event, all the participants. Yeah, so we would like to invite those who had not come in this event. We would like to invite you again, hopefully next year. DGR, Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, is not just for men. Okay? We are also inviting the women out there, the gentle ladies, all gentle folks. Sana sumama uli kayo next year. Yeah, shout out sa grupo ko SOP. Kudos sa inyo lahat. Salamat sa laging pagsuporta sa club and sa initiatives ng club, sa charity na gustong suportahan ng club. Also, shout out sa Bangads. Laging supportive naman sa mga ginagawa rin ng sarili kong club. And also, yung mga recently ko lang na-meet, really, napaka-ikli lang ng preparation time namin. Really, recently ko na na-meet sa sila Sir Arky. Hindi na kita na nalapitan kanina, but your manager sila Dustin. Yeah, so na-invite din ng Vespa. A few other riders, syempre, lahat na friends. Baguio is a really small town, a small city. Wala na. Oo, ngayon ko lang ginawa ito. So, at tahimik talaga ako. Oo. Yeah, thank you. Oo.